Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are in the class of FSC Part 1 for Magical Mathematics. Before starting the lecture, I want to request everyone, if you like my videos, subscribe my channel Magical Mathematics and click the bell icon for notifications. Today we are going to start chapter number 9 of trigonometry. This is a circle and center is O. This is the arc length AB and the radius is this much, OA. The property of a circle is if arc length, which is AB, is equal to radius of a circle, which is OA. If arc length of a circle, which is AB, is equal to radius of the circle OA, then that angle, which is theta, it will be equal to 1 radian. This is the property of the circle, and as we know, we have studied in the previous classes, the circumference of the circle is always 2 pi r. The outer boundary of a circle is always 2 pi r, and the length of half circle is pi r. When circumference is 2 pi r, then length of half circle is pi r. Now the magical point is when arc length is equal to radius, when arc length is equal to radius, then angle is 1 radian. Now the arc length is pi multiplied by radius, then angle will be pi multiplied by radian. Now angle will be pi multiplied by radian. And as we have studied in the previous classes, always angle of semicircle is 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Now this is the concept. 180 degree is always equal to pi radian. If I want to find out 1 degree, it will be equal to pi over 180 radian. This is the formula. It is the base of exercise 9.1. Every question will be solved by this formula. 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radian. Whenever we want to convert degree into radian, we will multiply every number with this factor, pi over 180 radian. Now, today I will discuss question number 1, 9 parts with you people. First part is first part is 30 degree. Convert degree into radian. And what is the concept we have got? Degree is always equal to, whenever you want to change degree into radian, you will multiply pi by 180 radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. And that is 30 in the question. Then 30 degree will be equal to 30 multiplied by pi by 180 radian. That is 0 will be cancelled with this 0. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, and the last answer is pi by 6 radian. You will get 2 marks in this way. Now part number 3 I will solve in front of you. (60°). You want to convert degree into radian. What will you do? 60 multiplied by pi by 180 radian. This is the concept. And 0 will be cancelled with this 0. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, and the last answer is pi by 3 radian. In this way, you will solve first 9 parts of exercise 9.1. Assalamu alaikum.